So to me, the high holidays were treif. They were forbidden for a secular Jew. They were purely religious, and we wouldn't do anything. In fact, I was going to work and my kids were going to school. That it was not, I was not going to be what I felt hypocritical about it, and it was going to be just a normal day. And others in the workmen's circle felt differently. They started, one family in particular, Karen Klein and Wayne Lenser, along with Phil Brown and some other folks, decided that, you know, might be some kernels of wisdom in the high holidays, not the religious aspects, but the ethical aspects that might be appropriate for secular Jews. And they did a bit of research and came up with a secular Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur ceremony. And I would have nothing to do with it. I said, no, that's fine. You know, we don't all have to do the same things. You go off and do your high holiday things. And Mike actually went one year and said, Linda, I think you would like this. No, 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 thank you. But one time it fell on a weekend, so I didn't have to miss work to do this. And I went, and I had my eyes opened. It was Rosh Hashanah, reflecting on the past year. What went right, what went wrong, what do we want to do better for the next year? Yom Kippur, where did we wrong our loved ones, our friends, our coworkers? Were we the best possible person we can be? How can we be a better person? I could see nothing wrong with celebrating that. And of course the singing songs and the whole ritual of coming together. It was still in the backyard, and then we'd have a potluck. We'd have a potluck on Yom Kippur as well, even though that's traditionally a fasting day. And I embraced that and said, okay, this we can do in our home, this we can do as a community. I can say, honestly, I am a Jew observing Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, and my kids, the same thing. They will not go to school on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. We will come to this morning ritual that is about 2 hours, where our community comes together, have the potluck, or sometimes we did tashlich. We would take the little breadcrumbs and symbolically cast away our sins, anything bad that we wanted to get rid of, and think of a clean slate for the new year.